In forex market, mostly forex trading, friend is not your trend. Yeah, I mean it. Trend is not your friend. Okay, so what happens here, it's simple. If you are going to trade the trend, you must watch this video now so that you can understand which trend are you trading. Okay, we have different types of trends. Okay, first thing I want you to check here, I'm introducing you to the best time frame, which is the monthly time frame. Okay, this is the monthly time frame. Every forex trader must check this, especially if you want to start trading with the truth, not the lies that you see on YouTube and internet and all those things. This is a monthly time frame of EURUSD, as you can see here. EURUSD monthly time frame. Tell me, what do you see from here? Let's go together. I don't want to leave you behind. Let's go together. This is 2014. Okay, today we are in 2022. Okay, it's written 2021 and all those things here, but all these years, this is a 5 years, this is the 5 year of EURUSD. Let's go back to again. Let me highlight it for you. 2014 to 2022. This is the 5 years. So as a forex trader, you are trading a trend. This means you are not trading for the whole 5 years because there's no trend here. Forex market is not moving. The market is consolidating. Okay, I know they've told you to check day one and all those things. Those things are not showing you the whole picture. They're just showing you day one. I'm sure it's showing what's happening here. It's giving you this, what's happening here, what's happening here. But truly speaking, you are trading this consolidating market since 2015. If you ever traded EURUSD, you were trading this consolidating market. So now I want to show you how to trade the trend in this thing. You don't just trade any trend. Okay, you open your monthly time frame, and now what I love about this is that we are in a very exciting zone here. This is a very exciting zone. This is a nice trading opportunity for me. Okay, so what happens here, check where we are. I know everything is confusing, the time frames, you don't know which time frame to use, blah blah, but whatever time frame you use, you must first consult with, you can actually check these ones, monthly time frame. Okay, because now you can see, now this is our monthly time frame, which tells us that from 2014 we are trading this channel here. Okay, do you see the trend is your friend here? No, you don't see trend is your friend since 2014. So if that trend is your friend is true, where is it here? Okay, and then you opened H1 and felt like H1 is the biggest time frame, but you have never noticed that the time when you were trading this buy trend, you were here, and then you opened your trade here because you thought, oh, this is a buy trend, I see high lows on H1. I'm sure you can see here, at least it's just like we have high low and high low, one high low and then one high. Okay, which is this. But on H1 I can tell you it's just like this. On H1 I can assure you that it's high low, high. And then when it comes here, you think, I've got my trend, the market is a buy trend. Okay, that's where you get things wrong. And then you have never you never saw this, you have never understood that we're in a very 5 years channel. Okay, so this is the exciting moment, because what happens here is that if the market can break this, still going down, actually we are not here yet, or you can just mark this one and then mark this one. Okay, this one is old, maybe this one is no longer working. As you can see, this was just a small channel and then the market broke up but still came down to the fair price. Okay, so this is called the fair price. I want to introduce you to this concept. This is called the fair price, which means all the buyers and sellers agrees that EURUSD is stable in this condition, in this price, according to the USD economics and then Euro economics. This is the fair price. That's where the market goes. In regulations and everything, reserve banks and everyone understand that this is a fair price, which everyone agrees on. And then what happened? The market broke out. I can't tell you the politics. I'm not in politics. The market left the fair price. As soon as the market left the fair price, what did the market do? Come back to the fair price. We are still within our fair price. This is the fair price, this one. But however, as you can see, the market also created another fair price, which means this may be our old fair price. We can leave it out now. Our fair price is actually this one. Okay, so what happens, what you must check always, you can open all the currencies and then you can come back to the comment and argue with me. Always the market creates the fair price. These are the fair price. That's how the market goes. Market doesn't trend. It does after a very long time, but most of the time, if you can zoom well, you can see this is the longest fair price. Okay, this is not, from here you can't say this is a trend. I don't think you can say that. Market goes with the fair price. Now the fair price is this one. Previously the fair price was this one, 2005 until around 2011. This was the fair price, and then we have new fair price. And then as we move backward, you will see that we had lot of fair prices along the way. You have fair price, you have fair price. So what happens here is that the forex market creates fair prices. Okay, and then if you are trading the breakouts, you are actually going to lose a lot, because let's say the market did this and then you are only trading this. You traded once from 1993. This is from 1993. Open a trade which ended in 2001 when the market started doing this, and then you opened another trade in 2002. The market began another fair price, and then you opened a trade again 2018. You only had 3 trades from 1989, 1985 indeed. So zoom this and then you tell me that trend is your friend. The market is creating the fair prices. As you can see now, the market is out of the biggest fair price. So question is, will the market comes back to the fair price, or it will create another fair price here? That's the question. Okay, so what happens now? Let me show you the most important thing about this video. Okay, so what happens when we see these fair prices? We must zoom them in so that we can understand them. The only trend that you want to trade is the trend that is within the fair price. Okay, the market comes and create this fair price. Okay, how do you start to see the fair price? The market will go up. In fact, the market will first break out of the previous fair price and then create another fair price. That's the new fair price. The internet is slow and all those things, but I can still draw here. Let's say the market created this fair price, right? This is the fair price, and then suddenly the market decided to break out. What you are waiting for here is that, let me mark this well. Okay, our market came back. So now we are back to the H1. After the market created the fair price, you want to see the market breaking out that fair price. Okay, after breaking out that fair price, you can see here, you see a trend. When you open the time frames like H1, you see a trend and be like, yeah, high, low, high, but you are not watching the biggest picture, okay? But when you open a monthly time frame, that's where you see the fair price. Let's forget the charts now because it's loading and all those things. So let's say the market creates this fair price here. This is the fair price that market decided to create for years. I'm not talking about days. And then the market breaks out here. When it breaks out, what do you want to see? You want to see the market coming here, not entering into the new fair price and then creating it. Once this happens, we call this retracement. Obviously, this is the beginning of a new fair price. So you can mark a new fair price to be here. Mean that you are saying the market will now have a new fair price. Okay, so now with USD, we are in the situation where we are not sure if the market can come. We are on the edge of the fair price now. Okay, so it's either this market will go up or it will break this fair price. And if it breaks this fair price and then fail to come in there to enter, but if it can enter this fair price, then we are certainly buying again. Okay, as soon as it breaks out, we just watch, because most of the time after breaking out, it may come inside the fair price again and start continue as a fair price. Or if it comes out, obviously they will push back to say go back to the fair price, and then it fails, and then now we have a new fair price. That's how you know that you just keep on trading a new channel. What you must do, you must trade channel. This thing of trend is your friend. You will trade once from 1985 until 2022, 3 times only. But if you are trading fair prices, that's good for you. Okay, give me a subscribe, give me a like, share this video with others, because that helps me to create more videos. And then I have a course which I've created. I'll leave my WhatsApp below so that you can WhatsApp me if you want the course. The course is the series of videos, audios, and PDFs. All those things combined are, let me count for you: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. It's like 20 things. PDFs, audios, everything that you may think of. There's a price for that, and I can't announce price now because price will change. Maybe you'll watch this video after 5 years, and then you just WhatsApp me, send me a text. I will reply to you and tell you the current price that I have. I don't have any problem naming the price. Unfortunately, the price will change as time goes by. And if I say the price now, 10 years later, someone can come to me and say, I heard that you are selling a course with this amount. Okay, the course is not about making you quick rich, whatever. It's just to give you the good ground in forex trading. Okay, and another thing that you must remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Before you get involved in anything, go consult with your financial advisors, and then all those things. Okay, forex is risky, you can lose all your money and all those things. Now in this video I was just telling you how to trade channels properly and how to leave the trend is your friend lie that they are telling you. You can see even here, that's why I'm saying you must be careful. Market created a fair price, the market broke out. Once the market broke out, a lot of people want to trade the breakouts, but unfortunately the market comes back to the fair price and then continue in the fair price. That time your hope is that the market already broke out. That doesn't work in forex trading. Maybe it works in stocks, I don't know. It doesn't work in a lot of things. Maybe in stocks, yeah, maybe Nasdaq it works, and gold and all those things. But here, remember, we have regulations to regulate the markets. These are the countries and these are the lives of people we are talking about here. So you always have market coming out of the fair price whenever it comes. That's why if you can get the course that I'm telling you about, maybe you'll be able to get the tools and everything to do this. It's not too much expensive, it's just less. And then if you will want this course, please give me a like, give me a subscribe. Just subscribe, man. It doesn't cost nothing, and I'm giving you all this information for free. Of course, I have some advanced courses which I sell, and then I have robots. Teach how to code robots. If you can go through my channel, you will see all those things. And I want to say, guys, thank you so much. I've seen how you watch my videos. Every day I get too much hours. Just like a day I get hours of watch time. That's so amazing, guys. I truly appreciate the love that you are giving me, the subscribes. I'm satisfied with how you subscribe, guys, and I just want you to keep on continuing doing, because you are giving me power. When you do that, you give me power too, because now I can see that there are people who are watching me. It's important for me to make videos and all those things. Thank you, guys. Subscribe, give me a like, share this video on Facebook, everywhere. Just share. We're coming up with new information here. We're not playing, eh?